this video about Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, that has a wobble death when you drive on the highway. I'm gonna show you something now. When you drive on the highway and around maybe 40-50 miles, a little bit more, you're trying to steer the steering wheel and you feel the car is like escaping it from you, or it's or the car, the whole car is not turning in a proportion to the steering wheel turning. You feel the car is like going left and right. It's just it moves like this. So I'm gonna show you what is the problem in this car, and what most of Jeep Cherokee with this design, it has the track bar issue. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so let me turn the lights on. So I'm assuming these arms and these bushing are good. Make sure you check them. There's no damages here on the passenger on the driver's side. And of course you have to check the ball joint. Just make sure the suspension is in good shape. So, but the problem is, it's this bar right here. Just try to point at it. It's this one right here. You can see it going all the way in there. Let me see if I get better lights. 1 second. See if I get the camera. Okay. So here is the bar. It's this one right here in the back, going all the way to on the chassis here, and coming down, holding into very much into the front end, the front differential. You can see it here. If you notice on this screw here, I don't know if you notice, this is the screw, but the center is here. You could feel the arm is more toward this way, so this is not centered. Okay, this is not centered here. Let me just get this better here. All right, if you pay attention, feels the screw is more toward the shaft or toward the track bar on this side, right? So this track bar very much stabilize the differential on the frame when the car driving. Okay, so the car, when you turn, it turns against this, puts too much pressure on this, and this is wobbles, and that's why you can feel the car is want to go left or right out of your intended direction. All right, and I'm gonna show you the new part. This is the new piece right here. This is the new piece. Okay, this is the track bar. So that's very much the issue. After you check all the front suspension problems, this is the most suspected piece that causes this problem. After I do this, I'm gonna do the alignment, and that should be it. All right, I hope this video was helpful to you. So I think from 1996 all the way up to 2004, most of these Cherokee have that design. Not all of them have the same design, but this specific design, this is the issue. Okay, 96, 97, 98, probably 95 too, I'm not sure, but most likely those from back those years. If you see that design like this, and those nightmare to do alignment on, but it's doable. I can do it. Thank you for watching.